The use of interlocking blocks technology has been endorsed as the best choice of building materials to address Uganda's indecent housing system. With this technology, cement is added to marram, compressed in a block press machine to produce durable air-cured blocks as opposed to burnt bricks. We have more.
Of the 7 newly created regional cities, each has its uniqueness, and Mbarara City is now seen as the fastest commercial growing city next to Kampala. Yet, this 250,000 populated city has challenges of rapid slum development.
We have a deficit in this country of over 3 million houses. People cannot afford to put up affordable houses. So what this project is coming to do is to fill that gap, that you can put up a decent house without a lot of money. These are very cheap, but very good.
Habitat Humanity Uganda, a non-government organization dedicated to eliminate substandard housing, says 60% of population lack decent housing.
The interlocking technology is an affordable technology that whoever is building can adopt to use in a such way that it preserves the environment. At the same time, it reduces the costs when constructing. Our block is right away got from marram, well mixed with some small ratio of cement, and we put it into a machine. It is compressed. After compressing, we put the block outside for air curing, and air curing is done in 24 hours.
Interlocking block technology, which is being advocated by a group of enterprising youth in Mbarara City, is not a new phenomenon.
This brick is compressed. So it is compressed in our manual machine. And how we tested it is we got the traditional brick, the traditional burnt brick. We put it into water for only 24 hours in a drum of water. And the results that came out, it was kind of depleting. But for our brick, we put it in water. We had put it in water for testing. In 24 hours time, it never depleted. So that's why we say the durability of this block is stronger, more stronger, and of structural sound.
These blocks are more durable with 80% high compression than burnt bricks. But what is the cost of producing them? Mbarara Deputy City Clerk says once incorporated, interlocking blocks technology can also solve scanty houses in refugee setup.
Currently, what they have been doing, they have been cutting down trees. For those people who know Nakivale and Oluchinga, in the last 20 years ago, those places were more or less forested with a lot of trees. But today, all the trees have been cut down. Now the settlement management, if it can get in touch with this project, it will go along in providing affordable, cheap housing materials that people can have decent accommodation. They also sometimes we need to make them forget that they are actually strangers, that they are actually refugees.
The late Moses Musazi, an engineering professor at Makerere University, was the brain behind the technology in Uganda in the 1990s.
And what we appeal to the Ministry of Urban Housing is that we need financial support, because we lack financial support. We need the collaborations where we can be able to sell this product, where we can be able to promote this product in community sensitization programs, in so many ways, so that we can have this program on board and we dominate the market.
The Minister of Housing and Urban Development has a target of ensuring safe and affordable housing in slums by 2030. Story